It's ready. It looks so good. Hey guys, Brittany Walker here. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making another quick and easy recipe. We'll be making veggie pizza. Now I'm using certain ingredients, but you're welcome to add on ingredients if you would like. It doesn't take long at all to make this recipe. The most it takes is 10 minutes. The prep time takes 5 minutes. That's it. Before we get started, don't forget to go down and subscribe so you can see more content such as healthy recipes, fitness, and beauty. Also, just hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. And ready? Let's get started. To start, we'll need whole wheat pitas. I'm just using the whole wheat Greek style pita kind, but you're welcome to use whatever pitas you would like. Minced garlic, marinara sauce or tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, fresh spinach. I just broke up the spinach by hand. Fresh chopped mushrooms, fresh chopped peppers, oil. Now that we have everything laid out, let's get started making our veggie pizza. Just to start, we're just going to preheat our oven on 400 degrees. Okay, now we have our pan here that we're just going to sprinkle with a little bit of oil. And we're going to turn our stove on 6 just to let that heat up. So we can start sauteing our veggies a little bit before we put it on the pizza. Okay, now that our pan is heated up, we're just going to start sauteing the mushrooms. I'm just going to add a little bit complete seasoning on the mushrooms. We're just going to saute these for about 3 minutes. The mushrooms look nice and sauteed. I'll just add these back in the bowl and saute the peppers next. I just added the peppers to the pan and I'm just going to saute these for about 2 minutes as well. Later, these are sauteed also, so I'm going to add these in the bowl and then saute our spinach. I have our spinach in the pan and I'm going to just saute this for 2 minutes as well. Spinach only took 1 minute to saute and as you can see, it just struggled up to nothing. So I'm gonna just add this to the bowl and then we'll start making our pita pizzas. So now that we have our veggies all sauteed and we have our full and our pita laid out, let's just start making our pizza. So I'm starting off with the tomato sauce. I'm just a spread. Ooh, making a mess. just did like 3 tablespoons, and I'm just spread it all over the pita here. And then we have our minced garlic. I'm gonna just put a splat of minced garlic on here. Here go me with that splat word again. Cover that up. And then just spread that on there. The garlic adds a really good taste to the pita pizza, I'm telling you. You make sure you try that. Okay, so now that we have our garlic and our marinara sauce on here, we're just going to start adding our veggies. I'm not going to add all the veggies because I cooked it for me and my husband. So I'm going to just add some mushrooms on here. This is going to be so good. Also add some peppers. And I'm just spreading it around on here. Mushing it down. And then a little bit more peppers. Love me some peppers. A little bit more mushrooms. And I'm going to actually add all of the spinach because this is all for me. Spinach is very good for you. Have a lot of iron in them. Vitamin K. Plus the greens. You know, everything green is good for you basically. Okay, so now that we have all our veggies on here, let me just add a little bit more mushroom. Okay, so now that we have all of our veggies on here, we're just going to add our cheese. Now, I'm not putting a lot of cheese because, as you know, cheese has a lot of calories. So I'm going to just put just a handful of cheese on mine. Just sprinkle it around. And that's it. That's all I'm putting on mine. This in the oven and just let it bake until the cheese is melted. It only should take like 5 to 6 minutes and then it'll be ready.
A few moments later.
7 minutes later, I let it stay in an extra minute just so the crust to get a little brown. But 7 minutes later, it's ready. It looks so good. And this is just a quick healthy meal you can make, you know, that costs under $10 to get all the ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go down and subscribe so you can see more videos like this, and just hit that like button if you like this video.